is for angelfish, bright and small. B is for banded fish, stripy and tall. C is for crab with pincers so neat. D is for dolphin who loves to leap and greet. E is for eel, slithering fast. F is for frog who jumps with a splash. G is for go by, tiny and quick. H is for hammerhead with a head like a stick. Splash, splash, swim with me from A to Z in the deep blue sea. Wiggle, wobble, dive and play. Let's meet sea creatures every day. I is for isopod, deep and shy. J is for jellyfish floating by. K is for krill, food for the whale. L is for lobster with a hard red shell. M is for manatee, gentle and round. N is for narwhal with a horn that's sound. O is for octopus, clever and bold. P is for pufferfish who inflates when told. Q is for queen conch with a spiral shell. R is for ray who swims so well. S is for seahorse, upright and neat. T is for turtle with flippers on its feet. U is for urchin, spiky and small. V is for vaquita,